Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an innovative product that every plant lover will appreciate, the self-watering pot 6-pack. We discovered this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these self-watering pots? Each pot in this set measures 4 inches and is designed to take the hassle out of keeping your plants hydrated. These pots feature a unique self-watering system that allows them to store water and provide a steady supply for your plants. This means you won't have to worry about watering your plants every single day, especially if you're planning to be away for a few days. Just be cautious not to fill the water reservoir above the inner basket to prevent waterlogging. Now, let's discuss some key features of these self-watering pots. One of the standout characteristics is their modern and stylish design. These clear pots not only serve a practical purpose but also enhance the aesthetics of any space, be it your home or office. They're perfect for brightening up bedrooms, living rooms, desktops, shelves, windowsills, or even your garden. In terms of construction, these pots are made from high-quality plastic material that is both sturdy and lightweight. This durability ensures they can withstand indoor and outdoor conditions without easily breaking. Each pot is equipped with an absorbent cotton wick that helps draw water up to the plant roots, ensuring they receive the moisture they need without risking overwatering. Another important feature is the breathable design that includes multiple drainage holes. These holes are strategically placed on the sides and bottom of the pots, allowing excess water to drain out efficiently while promoting optimal air circulation for the root system. This double-layer design not only keeps your plants healthy but also allows any excess water to be stored at the bottom. So, who is this product suitable for? These self-watering pots are ideal for anyone who loves indoor gardening, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out. They're particularly great for small to medium-sized houseplants, including African violets, orchids, herbs, succulents, cactus, and even flowers like peace lilies. If you're someone who often forgets to water your plants or has a busy lifestyle, these pots are a game-changer. As for practical use cases, imagine placing these pots on your office desk filled with vibrant succulents to liven up your workspace. Or perhaps you could set them on your kitchen windowsill, where you can grow fresh herbs for cooking. Their versatility makes them a great fit for any indoor environment. In conclusion, the self-watering pot 6-pack is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to simplify their plant care routine while adding a touch of modern design to their space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.